Okay, so anybody that grows hydroponics in clay pebbles or volcanic pumice stone or whatever is going to know that at the end of the season you end up with a load of pebbles all mixed up with bits of dead root and muck and things. And you have to try and clean it out. And I normally let it dry out, spread it out on a cloth and dry it, but you've got to try and separate this. And I've used to use a fan. I've tried dropping it in front of a fan and use sieves and various things, but it's quite a time-consuming pain and it's quite hard work. And you lose a lot of pebbles if you're not careful. So what I do now, and I come up with this is an idea stolen from seed and chaff separation. You basically pour all this mucky stuff in the top here, and help it in. It goes in, you can see all of the muck going in that side, the pebbles come out the bottom. And it's pretty clean. So it's fairly easy to make. This was made out of bits of old wood from a bed, an old bed we had scrap. And what happens is the air's going up here, the pebbles get jumbled around and it sucks with high velocity air, goes down here, all the rubbish collects in this area. There's a piece of metal and a couple of magnets that just hold a flap on so you can empty all of this out. The hose is connected up there. You can just use any old hoover or industrial cleaner or whatever just to create a vacuum, and it's simple and it works.